Welcome. Today we're diving into a handy new update on Telegram Web for PC that allows you to send messages with the Enter key. If you're tired of clicking the send button every time you want to send a message, this feature is a game changer. Let's jump right in. First, open your Telegram app on your PC. Once you're in, look for the More menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to reveal a list of options. Next, you'll need to navigate to the settings. Once you see it, go ahead and give it a click. This is where you can customize your Telegram experience. After you're in the settings menu, look for the General tab. Clicking on General will open up additional options related to how you use Telegram. Here's the exciting part. Within the General settings, you should see an option labeled Send with Enter. Select this option, and just like that, you're all set. Now, whenever you press the Enter key while typing a message, it will send your text immediately. No more extra clicks, and it's perfect for those of us who love to chat on the go. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Enter key to send messages on Telegram Web. Enjoy your seamless messaging experience. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.